I just found a bolt in my tub and hurt my ankle. Oh. A quick spray of Salty Captain's Shazzy Champ anti-corrosive spray before we go to Fraser. We're at Fraser Island. Welcome back to another episode. Today we're camping at Fraser Island. So we did get here really late last night and we set up, we picked our campsite at like 6 p.m. So we had to basically set up in the dark and cook dinner in the dark, which was kind of scary because we didn't want any dingoes to come. But we woke up this morning and we couldn't find any dingo footprints. So I think we were fine with the dingoes last night. But yeah, I think today we are going to go up to Champagne Pools and maybe Niagara Rocks, and if we have time I'm going to go down to Eli Creek because we are camping near the Mahino Shipwreck. So I'm going to hopefully get some photos of my car at the shipwreck today too. So how cool's my setup now? It's getting better and better. Soon I'll have new tires and new wheels. My awning's from Open Road, which is really cool. I literally love it. This is what the back of the tray looks like right now. My fridge. It's pretty stocked up. Hey guys, while we're at Fraser Island, I'm going to show you something that makes trips like this way easier. It's the F17 Elite dash cam. It's super sleek and it records everything while I'm driving. Perfect for capturing the beach runs, the tracks, and even the sunset views. Honestly, having this dash cam gives me peace of mind in case anything unexpected happens. So everything's really easy to use. The footage is really high quality, which is perfect for capturing everything on Fraser Island, which is exactly what you want. And the best part is I can focus on my trip without having to worry about recording. It's like having second eyes on the road. So if you're planning any trips like this, the F17 Elite dash cam is a must. Honestly, one of my favorite parts is being able to look back at this footage. It's like reliving the trip all over again. I downloaded a few clips straight from the dashcam while I was on Fraser and the quality is unreal. You can literally see every ripple in the sand. It's such an easy setup too. You can save everything straight to your phone, so next time I'll definitely make sure I grab more of it before the timer runs out. But even a little bit, I say, brings back all the good moments, the beach runs, the ocean views, everything. That's what I love about the dash cam. It's not just for safety, it's memories too. So yeah, if you're heading out anywhere like this, definitely get one and you'll thank me later. Now I can't wait to get out there and capture more of it next time. This place never gets old. All packed up now and we are off to Champagne Pools. On the way up to Champagne Pools, I quickly used the NEWTRACS app. It's honestly such a good tool. It works even with no reception and shows you all the off-road maps. Plus it rates every track from easy to difficult. We just got to Champagne Pools. It's pretty busy here, so we're parked where everyone can still get out. Yeah. So we just got back from Champagne Pools. We didn't end up stopping at the pub because it was really hot and we just wanted to come back and make lunch. But we're making chicken wraps. How pretty does the sky look right now at this time in the afternoon? And there's only like one truck left to drive on. Making spaghetti bolognese for dinner. What happened, Chase? What happened? What happened? What did you see?
A agenda. So it went there.
Currently a cripple because I was chasing this one down the sand dune and hurt my ankle. Now it's like really swollen. My tiny little foot, and then it's like fat. Everyone keeps asking about my Wipped 4-wheel drive lights, so let's test them out and see how bright they are. There you have it, perfect for night driving. If you want to start, use my code CODE10 for a discount. Good morning. So this is our last day on Fraser, so we're just going to start packing up now, and then we're going to head down to the Mahino Shipwreck because it's literally right there and we haven't even stopped at it, we just drove past it. And then we're going to go up to Eli Creek and we're going to blow up the floaties and have a little float before we head home. Little update on the ankle, she's really big. I just found a bolt in my tub and it's come off my rooftop, off my wrap. Anyways, I'm tightening it up. Luckily I have this tool because I brought no tools with me, dumbass. But yeah, anyways, I shop put this on. So now I'm gonna have to check all the bolts myself to make sure it's tight. We are all packed up now, ready to go to the Mahino, and then we're going to Eli. But we blew up the floaties, so we've got live floaties, and we're just gonna drop our rubbish off before we go. I'm pretty sure it's either before or after the Mahino Shipwreck. That's a campsite right there. Yeah, it's a very big ship, and look, it's still over here. Come on here. And that was the Mahino Shipwreck. So we just stopped here to drop our rubbish off, and now we're going to Eli. Yay! We're at Eli Creek. Crocs have to go on sports mode.
Did you?
Yeah.
Are we stuck?
Oh, I felt like that was gonna hit me. Oh no, you're gonna get popped. It's interesting that you can only cross at that resort there when it's high tide at Yidney Rocks. So at Yidney Rocks now, you can only cross at low tide, or has it always been like that? I don't know. Now we're just waiting for the barge to go home. It's a pretty big lineup, let me show you. And that's Fraser Island done. Don't be these guys.